Hello guys, I'm Jessy from Henan Sensor Import and Export Trading Company. Today I will introduce one popular camping tent stove for you. First, let me wear the glove. You can see the whole stove body. We use stainless steel material because it's easy to clean and high heat resistant. This is the stove door. There also with the fire window. This is glass. From here you can see the firewood when burning. Now we open the glass door. We put all the chimney inside. For the door, they have a clip. We just need to turn one time. Yes, the door is closed. Next is the ash tree. You can take out and pull out the ash when you finish using. Now we fold the stove leg. The stove leg is folded, so it's very convenient. The two sides is the stove shelf. Here is the stove we put inside. On the stove top, there have a plate. This is a heat conduction plate. The material is aluminum alloy. We can cook in and boil water here. Now we take out the chimney, where I will show you how to assemble it. There need to press one, like this. It's very tight. Next, you can adjust the length according to what you want. Yes, this is I introduced the camping stove. If you have interest, please contact us.